This is the final video to solve Minecraft crashing with exit code 1 when using shaders. Because I also faced the same issue and tested lots of ways, but finally found multiple methods to solve Minecraft crashing with exit code 1 when using shaders, and I'm going to share them with you. First, let's address the core of exit code 1 during shader use. This error often stems from a conflict between your graphics driver and the shader pack or insufficient GPU memory. Method 1, updating your graphics driver, is crucial because modern drivers are optimized for new rendering techniques shaders employ, ensuring better compatibility and stability. Method 2, allocating more RAM to Minecraft, directly combats out-of-memory errors that shaders frequently trigger by giving the game more dedicated resources to load textures and complex rendering data. Method 3, disabling specific problematic shader features, works by isolating the exact component of the shader pack causing instability, often a visually intense effect that your hardware can't handle, thus removing the conflict. Method 4, verifying game file integrity, is a robust diagnostic step that ensures no core Minecraft files are corrupted, which could otherwise interfere with the shader loading process and lead to unexpected crashes. These methods target the underlying issues of driver compatibility, resource allocation, shader-specific conflicts, and game file corruption,